I am Dr. Yugal Mishra, Chairman, Manipal Institute of Cardiac Sciences and Chief Cardiac Surgeon, Manipal Hospital, Dwarka. Today, I am going to talk about the relation of diet and exercise in heart problems. As we know that India is becoming the capital of heart disease and diabetes, and this is a time when everyone must gear up to prevent the development of heart disease and diabetes. We all know that if there is uncontrolled diabetes for a long time, this may lead to the heart problems. People who are smoking, that can inflict their lung as well as give rise to heart disease. Obesity, high cholesterol, genetic factors, sedentary lifestyle, and type A personalities. Smoking also is a very, very important factor in the development of heart problems. So, in spite of knowing that these are the high risk factors responsible for heart disease, we are not giving attention. Not quitting the smoking, not controlling the cholesterol and blood sugar, leading very sedentary lifestyle. All these leads to early development of heart disease, which is coronary artery disease. Now, the coronary artery disease is a lifestyle disease, as is the diabetes. And now people talk about the role of gut bacteria in lifestyle diseases. So one should have a very healthy gut bacteria which are responsible for the prevention of heart problems. Now I mentioned that sedentary lifestyle and overweight is also responsible for diabetes and heart disease. So the diet again becomes very important, because if you don't eat a balanced diet, then you will become obese and eventually you will develop heart disease. So what are the diet which is a balanced diet? The balanced diet is one where we take around, say, 50% of our energy from protein, 30 to 40% from fat, and only 10 to 20% from carbohydrate. So, if you can imagine a pyramid where the base is protein, garden salad, the fruits, and the apex is a dairy products. So take a minimum of dairy products and maximum of salad, berries, nuts, and likewise. Now we all know that if you consume excess of sugar, we may develop eventually diabetes, and diabetes is one of the precursor of heart disease. So this is very, very important that in a family where there is a prevalence of diabetes, the next generation should be very, very aware of and try to prevent the development of diabetes for a long time. Now there are certain food stuff which are very good heart protective, like avocados, like nuts, like seeds, lot of seeds, then high protein. These are the products which, if one consume, the less likelihood that he will develop diabetes or, in sense, heart disease. Now, taking enough sunlight is also very important, because we know that there is synthesis of vitamin D in the body when there is a presence of sunlight. So we have seen that a lot of even doctors, they have a deficit of vitamin D. Hence, vitamin D has to be in appropriate level in the body. Then only you will have a proper growth of bony structures, skulls. There will not be muscular spasm. Likewise, same is vitamin B12, which helps in the absorption of ferritin or hemoglobin or iron from the stomach, and also leads to the development and maintenance of the nervous system. So vitamin B12 is also important, vitamin D is important, and rest of the vitamins are really important. Likewise, so one has to have a healthy diet which contains various vitamins, high protein, little less carbohydrate minimum, and little less fat. Now, there are various leafy vegetables which are good for the health. There are various fruits one must consume, and of course one must not eat too much of products which are made up of very refined flour and cooked in a fatty substance. So avoiding all these things and taking a balanced diet will prevent development of heart disease and diabetes. Thank you.